patient looks like my last patient.
I know she does, but it isn't. This one's still breathing.
Does that mean I still have a chance?
Well, you did till you came in here.
Dr. Bob, this is an elderly patient. I hope you don't do any jokes about her age.
If I can't do old jokes, you're taking away my best shots.
Your only shots.
Lady, how old are you?
Young man, I am an octogenarian.
I asked your age, not your religion.
Dr. Bob,
I just wanted to make a little joke.
did you want to make it that little?
Young man, do you know what an octogenarian is?
Sure, you're like a vegetarian, only you eat octopuses.
Dr. Bob, please, this patient is dying.
She's dying, we're all dying. We need a little help from the man upstairs.
And so we come to another veterinarian's hospital.
Thank you.
Tune in next week when you'll hear Nurse Piggy say...
Oh, Dr. Bob, the patient is at death's door.
Don't worry, I'll pull her through.